Welcome to 121 Beatty Downs Road. Today we'll be looking at the downstairs right side unit, which is apartment D. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath. Just showing you the front view here, so you can see there's shared parking space outside, approximately 2 spaces per unit. And you go right up this walkway here to the front door, here again on the right side. So we'll take a look inside. So once you enter the property, you can see the home is carpeted in the living room. That continues on down the hall into the bedrooms as well. But again, it is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath unit. You can see 2 windows looking out towards the front of the home there. The kitchen is right off the living room. You have tile flooring in the kitchen. The included appliances are an electric stove, dishwasher, and a refrigerator. You have a window looking out towards the back, and then you have a laundry closet in the kitchen as well, with full-size washer and dryer connections. There is shelving above as well, 2 rows of that. So you have a small hallway here. You have a linen closet, I believe, on this side, so you can see some shelving there. The other closet over here is just a utility closet. I believe it houses the either HVAC unit or water heater, one of the two. So you have 2 bedrooms in the property. This one is the front-facing one. And you have a closet here, single door. Adjust that light for you. Then right next door you have a full bathroom, single vanity, shower and tub, and a medicine cabinet there as well. Tile flooring also, same as the kitchen. And then last but not least, you have your master bedroom as well. This one does have an attached half bathroom. So you have a single vanity there, medicine cabinet and commode. And also a nice sized closet here. And you do have a shelf with kind of some built-in vertical organizers at the top there. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address is 121 Beatty Downs Road. It's apartment D. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com, or you can give us a call at 803-407-8522.